Good day. Could you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Mary Joy Molo, 29 years of age, presently residing at Nueva Ecija, Macapsing, Nueva Ecija. I graduated 4 years course, which is Bachelor of Science in Industrial Technology, and recently I took Caregiving Institute, and I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. I am the youngest of my siblings.
Okay. Tell me about your working experience as domestic helper.
My working experience as domestic helper, within 2 years, I took care elderly, which is 84 years old. I took her and bath taking and feeding and also taking her medicine and assist her in getting some fresh air in the park.
How many helpers in the house?
We are 2 helpers in the house.
Did you renew your contract?
I did not renew my contract because I want to explore and expand my experience in other countries like Hong Kong.
What will you do in the morning?
In the morning, I'll fix my things and myself. Then I cook foods and clean the house.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong. Is the main reason is I want to explore my experience here in Philippines and other countries, and I want to help my families here in Philippines.
How can you manage your homesick?
By managing the homesick, is the best thing that I can do is to pray and make calls with my family.
Tell me about your experience in taking care of newly born baby.
My experience in taking newborn baby is I do feeding, I do bathing, I do getting some vital signs before and temperatures before bathing, and I do preparing her and preparing their foods, and they're also chatting with them.
What will you do if the baby has a fever?
If the baby has a fever, the first thing that I can do is to inform the parents, my employer.
Do you have experience of taking care of elderly?
I have experience in taking care of elderly, which is the 84 years old, which is a female. My experience there is getting the vital signs, and I assist her medicines, I assist her in taking that also.
Can you promise not to break 2 years contract, and how could you manage it?
I can promise that I will not break the 2 years contract, and I can promise it to finish that contract.
Can you sing a song like a nursery rhymes?
I can sing a song like My Toes and My Knees. Okay? Hands on your hands on your waist, and then follow after me. My toes, my knees, my shoulder, my head. 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 And that's all.
Tell me about your cooking experience.
My cooking experience is more on Filipino dishes, like adobo, rice, vegetable.
Tell me, what time do you sleep at night, and what do you do before sleeping?
I do the time that I'm going to sleep is more on after that I done my job, and it is mostly 9 p.m.
Give me any messages for your future employer.
My message to my future employer: Ma'am and sir, choose me as your helper. I am trustworthy, honest, patient, compassionate with heart, and I can promise that I will do my job in your households. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, thank you and have a nice day.